Today I'm going to show you how to make these Greek feta French fries. They are so delicious. So much is going on, but these are simple to make. Really crispy. They're made in the oven. And I'm going to show you how to make this delicious yogurt sauce to go with them. The perfect homemade fry, really crispy. Give them a go. Recipe is over on my website, scramline.com. Link for that is in the box below. If you have other recipe suggestions you'd love to see me make on this channel, please let me know in the comments as well, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scramline. These are for dinner.